how to change your country on Amazon. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Amazon application, and it will lead you here to your homepage. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 4 different options. Tap on the 3 dash lines here, and it will look like this. Now, the next thing that you want to do is scroll all the way down up until you see settings here. Tap on settings, and here you will see the country and language. It's currently set on Canada. The country is set on Canada there. Tap on that, and here you will see your country or region. Then tap on that and choose the country that you want to change it with. So let's say you want to put it to Belgium, and just tap on, you can change the language here if you want. So let's maintain English here and change the country, then tap on done and just wait for it to load there, and go back to the 3 dash lines here. And as you can see, when you go to here to settings, your country and language, your country is already set to the different account, and you have successfully changed your country on Amazon. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.